Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome one and all. Welcome my new subscribers. Today we are making some beetroot juice with ginger and some lime. And here are my ingredients that I'll be using today. Just so simple. Simple. So here I'm just cutting up the beetroot, nothing special, just chop and go, cut and go, cut them up just so they can fit into your blender. And this is how I'll be doing my carrot. Just cut off the base and the top. Well, yeah. And but here I'm showing you another way where you can scrape it if you don't want the skin on it any at all. So instead of peeling it, even though I have my vegetable peeler that makes it very easy, you can just scrape it so that you take off just the least amount of the skin as possible. And here it is, all done. And now I'm just cutting up the carrot. So as I said before, nothing special. We're just cutting and a chop to the chop and a chop. And here is everything. And I'm going to dash them into my NutriBullet. Just dash out and a dash and a out. And now we're pouring some chilled water on it. And I just busted a one blend. So now I'm gonna straight. Ooh, girl. So I'm just gonna bust a strain on it too. Gets the straining, and now we're back to blending. So, well, we're putting it in the blender, right? And dashing some water, and then we're gonna blend again. And now, just a little strain, nothing much, just a little bit, a little strain, a little strain, because we cannot drink all of that. That's just gonna go in our throat and be like, no, that's not gonna be good. So yeah, we're straining it and then we're setting that aside to use again. But Vibes fam, you could help me, you could tell me say the ginger though into the thing. Me daddy a blend up and a go on, and I think say beer things are going for me. No, check no ginger. Okay, so yeah, I took off the top and the bottom where, you know, those little crusty parts, and then I'm just using a spoon to just scrape it. Yeah, scrape it. It make it get done fast. And now I'm going to add my ginger that has been missing and you guys didn't tell me. So now I'm cutting it up. But guess what? It's never too late because I still have some carrot and some beet. So I bet you can't laugh after me. Yes, so I'm straining what I blended before. And yeah. Just doing the little do. And I will put down below in the description the other beetroot juice. You guys need to check it out and comment down below and tell me which one do you prefer. Do you prefer beetroot juice with milk, or do you prefer it with lime and the ginger that you did tell me that was missing? So now that we're done, of course, we're gonna strain again. Ooh, that looks so good and soothing, so velvety smooth. That looks so nice. Dash out more because more in there to dash and dash and a dash. Is this Mrs. Dash? Looks so. Okay, so now we are reusing our richness, rich. We are using it back because a lot of nutrition in there, so we're gonna use it, right? But of course I'm pouring the water and white looking like it don't want to work with me, so of course I got me a spoon and I'm digging down in there. Una small up on yourself. One more can fit on the back seat. Small up on yourself. And then we strain. That's a whole lot of juice, but it's good. Ooh, look at that. Sinking, and a sink, 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 and a sinky. Okay, so now this is my sugar, and I like to dissolve it before, so I added some hot water to it, right? Because I love when it's dissolvable. Oh, don't follow me, you know. So yeah, so now I'm just adding that to my rich juice, and I'm gonna add some lime. I think I did a total of 5 limes. Yes, 5. But you guys know what you should do, right? You have to taste when you're adding the sugar and all of that and the lime. Taste it and see if it need more lime, right? Or if it need more sugar. And then you add more, because you need to get this juice right. Just right, just good. Because I'm telling you, it can be so good. When it's made properly, it is so good. Right? So get it right, Vibes fam. Get it right. So now we're doing our last straining. We'll come through with Tiny. Yes, my tiny little strainer. This is my little friend. Tiny, meet our subscriber friends. Yes, so we're using Tiny to get it all nice and silky and good. And then this is what I did the other time that I didn't show, right? So yeah, just get a spoon and we get the rest of our juice out of it. Just press it down. But Vibes fam, see we here are we named Josie, are we sell juice, are we make juice. But here we are pouring it out. Are we say no, I don't want to say pourry. Are we say Richie? We are claiming Richie. So are we say Richie? Rich juice pour out. Look at you pouring your little lovely self. And then the bubbles just bubbling and bubble up and bubble up. Bubble up, bubble up. Come true richness. Yes, but Vibes fam, here we have it. A nice glass of beetroot juice with some nice ginger and lime. You guys please comment down below and tell me which one do you prefer. Do you like it with the milk and the nutmeg? I don't want to say all of that. The milk and the niceness, because you guys know those things are niceness. Those things are the icing on the cake. Yes, Vibes fam. So thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me in my kitchen, juicing and blending. I appreciate the company. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. For those who are subscribing, please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I share another video. And guys, please follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box and on Facebook too. God bless you.